The boy became a student of the light. He studied and learned about justice, honor, and the light itself. But he also fought more great battles against the undead legion. His spirit, strength, and thought led to many victories for the kingdom. Soon the boy became a man of justice, a warrior of the light. He became a paladin.